Reading for October 12th, Science of Mind, A Philosophy of Faith, A Way of Life by Ernest Holmes. Reading from page 340, paragraph 2, through page 341, paragraph 1, using inclusive language.
Evolution, then, is not a thing in itself, it is an effect. Behind all objective form, there is a subjective likeness which exactly balances and is the prototype of the form. The thing involved perfectly balances the thing evolving from it. Evolution is the time and the process through which spirit unfolds. Insofar as any individual understands this mental law, they are able to use it. We learn how it works and comply with the way it works. Always it is an obedient servant. As a person sows, so shall they reap. Involution and evolution, the thought and the thing, the word and the law, the purpose and the execution. This is the sequence. While there is liberty in the evolving principle, it is always in accord with certain fundamental laws of necessity. It seems as though behind evolution there is an irresistible pressure compelling more, better, higher, and greater things. For instance, if we study the evolution of locomotion, from the rising of humans from the clod, we see them riding upon a horse, in a cart, in a wagon, and so on to the automobile and the airplane. What is this but the evolution of locomotion, the unfolding through humans' mind of the possibility of travel? If we watch the evolution of travel by water, we find the same thing from the raft to modern ships. What is the inevitable end of locomotion? Could it be other than we shall ultimately do away with every visible means of transportation? When we shall have unified with omnipresence, we shall be omnipresent. When we shall have arrived at a sufficient understanding, our thought will take us where we wish to be. When we know enough, we shall be able to pass on to another plane and come back again if we wish to do so. When we know enough to multiply the loaves and fishes, we shall do so. When we know enough to walk on the water, we shall be able to do that, and it will all be in accordance with natural law of a spiritual world.